Some days I felt lonely, even though you were there. Sometimes I wonder if only we were acting out of fear. Felt kinda like shadows that faded away with the suns, dreaming of the colors and the days when we were young. I've been thinking about it, why don't you let me back in? I've been thinking about it, but you keep slipping away. I've been thinking about it, how we got lost on the way. I really wanted to fight it, but I don't know how to stay. I don't know how to say this, but somehow we've been falling apart. I've been thinking about it lately, how we got lost on the way. I've been thinking about it, why don't you let me